Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of bulky car vacuums that are a hassle to use and store? The HEPA Car Vacuum Portable Cordless Handheld Car is here to change that. This powerful little device is capable of delivering 15,000 PA super suction, making quick work of sand, dust, and debris on your car's surfaces. The handheld car vacuum uses an upgraded high-speed brushless motor that provides a smooth and quiet cleaning experience. The HEPA Car Vacuum also comes equipped with 2 different filters, including a HEPA filter that can be washed and reused for 2 to 3 months, and an upgraded fine steel filter that can be used again with a simple wash, providing a service life of more than 1 year. The filter's textured surface effectively traps dust and dirt, leaving your car's interior feeling clean and fresh. This well-reviewed product has been a hit with many customers who appreciate its portable and lightweight design, making it easy to carry anywhere. The silver gray car vacuum is just 7.8 inches by 5.8 inches in size, and comes with a handy storage bag that fits all the accessories, so you can keep it neatly in your glove box or drawer. The small size and cordless design of the HEPA Car Vacuum make it perfect for quick cleanups on the go, and the extra storage bag keeps everything organized. Whether you're cleaning up crumbs and spills on the road or detailing your car at home, this handheld vacuum is up to the task. With its powerful suction and easy-to-use design, the HEPA Car Vacuum is a must-have for anyone who wants to keep their car clean and tidy, and its popularity is a testament to its effectiveness, so why not give it a try and see the difference for yourself? If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.